Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the car and system. Put the vehicle in park and turn the ignition to ACC or start the engine so modules are powered. Check iDrive version in settings to know which menu names you'll see. This matters because options differ between versions. Next, pair your phone via Bluetooth and ensure mobile data or BMW connected drive is active. Some voice functions require an online connection. Once done, locate the voice control button on the steering wheel and get ready to activate it. You now enable voice control directly. Press and hold the steering wheel voice button until you hear the prompt or see the microphone icon on the screen. That confirms the system is listening. Then go to Settings right arrow voice control or voice recognition to turn the feature on and pick language and response preferences, because accuracy depends on language selection. If the system offers a short voice training session, complete it. This improves recognition. Make sure the cabin is quiet and you speak naturally for best results. Finish by testing common commands. Say navigate to a destination, call a contact, or play media to verify responses. This confirms working paths. If recognition is poor, check for software updates in settings or the BMW Connected Drive app and install them because many fixes arrive via firmware. If problems persist, reset voice settings or unpair and repair your phone. One key troubleshooting tip: if the system never detects your voice, have the dealer inspect the microphone hardware. Physical faults are common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.